Welcome to Mr. Dowler's Math and Physics channel. This is an online home for my instruction. So, who am I? I am a math and physics teacher at Headway School in Edmonton, Alberta. And this channel is a place for me to post lessons in advance, so I'll be using them as substitute teaching plans, support through the COVID pandemic, that sort of thing. My own background, just so you're aware, I actually started university planning to do physics research, and I ended up getting an MSc in physics, doing a master's at CERN. It's the world's biggest particle accelerator, with some of the world's biggest human collaborations, with hundreds, if not thousands, of people working on a single project at once. And when I was doing that, I found I enjoyed teaching in the labs much more than I enjoyed doing the research. So then I went into education. And from there, after graduation, I spent some time doing some private tutoring before moving to Headway. So what will you find in this channel? Well, what you'll find is content for all of the courses I teach. So, in Alberta, that means Math 10C. This is the common grade 10 math taken by all students who scored 50% or higher coming out of grade 9. Now, Headway does things a little bit different than most of the province. Grade 10 students do Math 10C first term and Math 20-2 second term. 20-2 is generally recommended for students who finish 10C with marks between 50 and 65. If you get above 65, then you go to Math 20-1. That's our mainstream grade 11 math. Headway students do that first term grade 11. So they will do both 20-2 and 20-1. That's uncommon in most schools, but it's perfectly valid and it's totally allowed by the province because there is content in the -2 stream that is unique to -2 and not covered by -1. So there's not as much overlap as people think, and it's not just a watered down version of the other. There really is unique -2 content. Grade 11 students then finish by taking Math 30-2. And then in the start of grade 12, we take Math 30-1. Now, students everywhere have the option, including Headway students, to take Math 31, which is the calculus course. So in order to take that one and succeed, you want to have very strong marks on some particular topics in Math 30-1. So this channel will have instructional content for all of these courses, and each topic will be a series of videos that are collected in a playlist. So you're more likely to want to be sifting through the playlists in this YouTube channel than in the regular channels themselves. I also teach Physics 20 and 30, which are taken in first and optionally second semester for grade 12s. Every grade 12 student at Headway takes Physics 20. Not every grade 12 student takes Physics 30. We do these in grade 12 because in grade 10, we do Science 10 and 20. And then in grade 11, we do Science 30, as well as Bio 2030. And then grade 12 has Chem and Physics, both 20 and 30. So that does help you have a bit of a stronger math background when you come into Physics 20, which should help in that first unit. And because Headway students take 5 courses per term, by the end of grade 11, you will actually already have your diploma, because you will have taken at least Science 30, as well as Bio 30. In the province, everyone has to take Science 10, and then from there, normally you choose which of the 20 levels you take. It could be any combination of bio, chem, and physics, It's not uncommon to see people taking all three of them. We also have some people who take the general science, which has elements of all three. But again, it's not terribly common to take all four of them. Headway students do. There will also be a couple other add-ons that we're doing, especially in this pandemic year. So you will find a basic 5-day course in study skills, as well as some extra work in Einstein's relativity, which is a particular favorite physics topic of mine, which is not in the provincial curriculum. So this is what you can expect to find in this channel, should you choose to stick around and follow it. If you have any questions, you can always leave comments and contact me right through YouTube. Thank you for joining.